Turmeric can starve cancer cells to death. Turmeric can kill cancer cells. It has been proven. There has been a lot of research that has been done to prove this. I want you guys to watch this video to the end. If there is one herb you need to take seriously, it is turmeric, guys. Do not joke with turmeric. Let me quickly rush through some other benefits of turmeric. Do you know that turmeric can also help in fat burning? If you have issues burning fat, guys, please take turmeric. It's going to help you to burn the fat. Also, turmeric can help with skin conditions. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, and it is effective in stopping the growth of acne, causing bacteria. I can go ahead to mention the benefit. It has a lot of benefits. It helps with your digestive system. It can also boost your immune system. It can do a lot of things for you. You need to know the amount of turmeric to take that will make you to enjoy this numerous benefits of turmeric. Because if you take a little quantity of turmeric, it might not be enough to get this benefit. And if you take too much of turmeric, it can also be very, very dangerous. So I'm giving you to explain to you how you can get the full benefit of turmeric. Now, the first thing you need to do before I continue, if you're able to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button. It is totally free, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to get all the benefits of turmeric, make sure you add black pepper to your turmeric. You need to add black pepper to your turmeric, guys, because black pepper can protect turmeric from digestive enzymes that can remove it from the bloodstream. The turmeric needs to get to your bloodstream for you to get all the benefits. Another way to take turmeric for you to get all the health benefits is by taking turmeric with healthy fat, like coconut oil and olive oil. This can aid digestion.